Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing the battery pack so nothing short circuits. Once done, peel the warranty sticker to access the hidden screw and remove all 5 screws. Keep them in order to simplify reassembly. Use a plastic spudger to pry apart the shell along the seams. This prevents plastic stress and preserves clips. As you lift the front and back halves, note cable routes and where the ribbon connectors sit so you don't strain or tear them when separating the halves. Once the shell is open, unplug battery and detach ribbon cables so the PCB can be removed safely. Next, remove the retaining screws and gently lift the board to expose the analog stick module. If it's soldered, desolder the joints carefully and remove the old potentiometer. If modular, unplug it directly. Position the new stick in the same orientation and either solder the pads or snap it into place, making certain the shaft is centered and moves freely to avoid drift later on. You now reverse the teardown, reseat the PCB, reconnect all ribbon cables and the battery connector, making sure each clip clicks. Before tightening screws fully, power the controller and test the joystick movement in controller settings to check calibration and dead zones. Once satisfied, torque the screws evenly and replace the sticker if desired. If you still see drift or misbehavior, make sure solder joints are clean and connectors fully seated. A poor connection or cold joint is the usual culprit and is fixable with a quick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.